my best here to make an intro because I forgot to make an intro. But anyway, we're filming my friend Vu's boosted S2000. The thing is freaking sick. So I'm gonna do a really cool cinematic video of it and show you us kind of driving around. We also did a photo shoot with me in his car. I filmed that kind of off to the side. Also, I have a short arm, so I don't know how much of my face you're seeing. On top of, I cannot get a hold of a boom mic. They're very hard to find. The specific one I want, which is cheap obviously, is out of stock like everywhere. So, yeah. Alright, so we're on our way to the film location. Vu and I are just having fun with our cars here. I didn't think my car was this loud, but it is this loud, and his you can't even hear it all, so my bad. Yeah, for the smoking, BMW things.
So this is an F2.8, so it's gonna be 2.8 for the total. So none of that variable bullshit that we have.
Oh my god, my legs are so
Hello! Behind the scenes work.
Oh.
You need them.
Oh, okay. How about I take pictures of you taking pictures?
I'll get the video of it all.
And the big boy.
I got the big
Sheesh.
Sheesh!
Alright, should I stand up? Should I squat? I'm gonna squat.
How about you just do you and you let me do me?
Alright. No, this light pretty good though. Tuck in my fupa.
First of all, I can't see your fupa from back here.
My Doja Cat song. It's so fat you can see it from the back. Or see it from the front. I don't know. I'm gonna have so many.
What? I'm so sorry!
Wait, I'm gonna have so many phones. She's like way back. Yeah.
It do be dough. Look at that awesome build.
Yes. Yes.
Looks good. Yeah, a little bit.
It's not bad.
Oh, you can use this as a mirror.
It's got dirt on it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah.
Wait, come closer this way.
It's like a fun house movie.
Yeah. Do you want to do some poses? And I'll take video of you?
I'm not ready yet. Just, I don't know, with this outfit, I feel like.
No.
Wait, what is that? Yeah. My shoes are so light, bro.
I love your shoes though. Can I get a close up? Can I get a close up?
Oh, no.
No.
These,
Yeah.
this side. A cat and a hot dog.
Ooh.
Oof.
Oof. Oop.
For the feet, guys.
Yeah.
Lucky,
Put that on OnlyFans under your feet.
Only feet. I just messed up this. Oh, no.
Oh. Oh.
Give me a minute.
Oh.
Okay. You taking pictures the whole time?
No.
Ooh.
yeah.
I got sweat all up in my hair.
That's the one pose I hate the most.
I know, that's my go-to.
It's like hiya!
I don't want to move out of this position because I'll forget it. I have that one. Alright, enough of that photo shoot. Now it's time to record the video. So for this first part of the recording, I'm going to be hanging out of the passenger side of the window to get more of the side and rear profile of Vu's car. And then from there, we're going to switch it up.
Oh no!
So at this point, I moved the GoPro in a safer spot and moved myself into a not so safe spot. I'm now in the hatch of the X1 filming head-on of the S2000. GoPro, please sponsor me because it still works and it's doing great. doing okay, buddy?
Yeah, the fans stopped working, so the car was starting up.
Since the car overheated, I figured now's a good time to get some of the car not moving and get some close-ups.
Pictures done.
You wanna be cool like us?
Yo,
Come back. Oh. Okay, goodbye.
bye.
Come hang out with us. Unfortunately, due to YouTube copyright rules, I am not allowed to use the original song that I edited the S2K to. So the song that I did use was by Grace. It's You Don't Own Me featuring G-Eazy. It's the Candyland remix. It's pretty sick. The original edit is on both of my Instagrams if you want to go check that out. And this concludes Vu's Boosted S2000. Next week I'm going to have Alvin's Lamborghini that is also on my Instagram if you want to see that one. I'm going to have to cover up the music again, but I will show my entire process of how I filmed that, and that one should be very interesting. And once again, thank you for watching.